This video shows you how to easily extract a zip file. So let's say you've got a zip file downloaded on your PC, but you don't know how to uncompress it. On this video, we'll show you how to uncompress it, as well as how to create your own zip files. Okay, so all you do is browse to the location of your zip file. Once you found the zip file, left click on it, and then right click on it, and then just click extract all. And then it will then ask you, do you want to extract it to your folder? Just click extract, or you can browse a custom location. So let's click extract, and as you can see, it's turned into a normal folder. The way you can tell that is, you look here, and this has a zip on it, and it says .zip, but here no zip and no .zip. And if I click on it, you can see what's in that folder. I do want to point out, if you're always extracting zip files and the built-in Windows Extractor doesn't do the job for you, which in my previous cases it hasn't, just go to 7-zip.org and then download it for your computer, and it can extract any zip file, any WAR file. Just download the 7-zip app and you'll be ready to go. But if you're just extracting stuff such as music, where it's only a few files, well, the built-in extractor will do. But like I said, if you're downloading advanced zip files, which in my case I am, I would recommend you download the program 7-zip. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to create your own zip files. Say I want to extract this music here, like zip it into a zip file. I can select them all by swagging the mouse over them, and then I can right click on one, and then it says compress to zip file. Click on that, and then it will compress to the zip file, and you obviously name it songs. Here we are. As you can see, they've been zipped in a zip file now. So now is how to extract the zip file and how to create a zip file. Thanks for watching this tutorial.